On today's comparison, we'll be comparing two popular wheels, the 115mm rubber all-terrain wheel and the 120mm cloud wheels. Welcome to MBoards Quick Comparison. Starting off with some specs of the smaller wheel, the 115mm all-terrain rubber wheel has a metal core surrounded by rubber, a wide surface area, no inner tube as they are not considered pneumatic wheels but still all-terrain, a kegel mounting system, around 600 grams of weight, 70A hardness durometer, and expect to see more battery drain due to the weight and size, along with great grip on the road. And on our website, currently the price is listed at $140 US. Moving on to the specs of the cloud wheels, starting off, the 120mm cloud wheels has a foam core surrounded by urethane, a tapered surface area, an A-back mounting style, around 494 grams of weight, 78A hardness durometer, pretty smooth on the road, and on our website currently the price is listed at $135 US. Both wheels are a really great option and will equally get you through similar terrain. The main differences are that the 115mm all-terrain wheel is heavier than the cloud wheels. The 115mm all-terrain wheel has better grip than the cloud wheels. The 115mm all-terrain wheels will indeed drain your board's battery faster compared to the cloud wheels. Also, the 115mm all-terrain wheels are about $5 US more than the cloud wheels on our website. Either one you choose, you can't go wrong with. I'm a big fan of how much lighter and bigger the cloud wheels are, along with being a big fan of how much grip and how smooth the ride was with the smaller 115mm all-terrain rubber wheels. Of course, pneumatic all-terrain tires with the air tube in them will provide better all-terrain performance, but these are a great in-between option with less maintenance than a regular tire with air. And that's it. Hopefully this quick comparison will help you further solidify your decision on which wheel to go with. Stay tuned for the next review. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the 115mm all-terrain rubber wheels and the 120mm cloud wheels. See you on the next one.